Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Getting into the zone. Getting into the zone. Getting into the zone. There's this etheric feeling. The conscious mind is shut down. Mind is fully engulfed in the ritual, meditation, visualization at hand. Symbols are ready to enter in. Subconscious is awakened and it's program time. This deity is called Yog Sothoth in the Necronomicon. Go get Panic's book, The Origin of Occult Civilization, Volume 1, Hollywood. The lurker at the threshold. Yog Sothoth is going to take you there and make it clear. Let's think about our ritual work. Before we get into our rituals, we want to be relaxed and chilled as possible. No distractions of the day or no monkey brain activity. This is why you want to do your relaxation techniques and or meditation before you actually do your ritual. What I found also was that planning is a must. If you're not planning out these rituals or scheduling time for you to be absolutely alone and commune with yourself, the zone is hard to get into. Planning out the smells you'll have, the music in the background, the lighting in your area, devices you will use. All of these things are a must in getting into this zone. There's a few items and techniques that can put you in that zone. Meditation, scrying, sun gazing, liquor, weed, chaotic mantras, sex, and much more.
Got a bad feeling about this.
Now, don't think for a second that you're doing something with weed or liquor if you're not using it ritualistically. The abuse of these items can eliminate zone activation. You basically numbed yourself with the tool. Doesn't have the same effect. This zone you want to tap into can be correlated to a brainwave frequency we all know as alpha state. You have 4 primary states of frequency: beta, alpha, delta, theta. These levels of brainwave activity is what we're manipulating when we're beginning out our rituals. Trying to go from the beta brain to the alpha state. Soon thereafter in your rituals, you'll feel an ultimate focus. A level of concentration on whatever your intention is. You begin to be one with yourself and the outside world is non-existent.
Message!
This zone is what you're trying to reach whenever you're doing your ritual work. It kind of feels like you're lightheaded with a powerful level of concentration. Program time or receiving time. When programming the subconscious mind, you want to make sure that you're hitting this zone. Also in this zone, you can receive channels and insights from your ancestors and deities. Where does these ancestors and energy streams live? Yep, that's right, inside of you. So in order to propel these latent energies without, you must be tapping within, getting into that zone, and flying high within self. Dream wise.
Get over here!